Hi everyone, this is prompt 22 of Junk Journal January. Now it's bookshelf is the theme, and I was thinking about all sorts of things to do with books and bookshelves, and I thought what I would do was print out onto this, I'm not quite sure what it is, it's like a very thick vellum, or parchment even. Anyway, I've printed out the 3 books that are on my list through January. And I thought I'd make like pseudo tea bag labels to match my little teacups. And the way I'm doing this, let me just finish off this one, just rounding the corners a little bit. Once they're printed out and glued down, and putting a little staple in. So this one's been done, glued down, and I've just got it's just a bit of string. It's not a thick string, it's just a favourite string that I like to use. Cut that out. Now this particular one isn't a book, this is a Booknook, and this is the Booknook that my daughter and I have been building together because, funnily enough, we both bought each other the exact same present for Christmas, so we thought it would be fun to actually build them together, which is a lovely activity to do. So it's got a little tram and it's got little Japanese blossoms, so that's important. It's not a book, but it's a Booknook. So this is the process. I've folded it over and doubled it over. I put a bit of glue on the inside of the cover. And while it's still wet, I cut along the bottom of the book and put a little bit more glue and put the string in. This parchment seems to work really well with the glue stick. And just snip the tail off. Round the corners. So this is the book I'm reading at the moment. I found it in an op shop for a couple of dollars, and I was planning on using the cover and making a journal out of the hardback because it's very old and the dust jacket's very tattered. But I'm enjoying reading it at the moment. Once I've finished reading it, I probably won't mind doing that. My Venice by Donna Leon. It's little short essays on her experience of being in Venice. I do love a travel book. While we're on the subject of travel, I read Clarissa's England, which if anyone watched the show, it was called Two Fat Ladies. It used to be on TV, and Clarissa and the other lady, they just travel around England cooking and getting very, very drunk. So that book is fabulous. All Clarissa Dickinson Wright, all full of anecdotes, honestly, all sorts. Anxiously Attached by Jessia Rayner, I think it is. It's a bit hard to see. This was a book that my daughter, who I'm doing the Booknook with, suggested we all read, as we're all quite an anxious little family of girls, us girls. Oh, I love them. Oh, they're just so cute. Oh, they are so cute. Now I'm thinking what's going to happen with these. That one's already got a tea bag. But I think what's going to happen with these is I'm going to do something interactive like so. But I think I'll get a photo of them as a thumbnail first. So they're just little reminders of what books I was reading. I don't think I can do it on here because of I might have to do something like this because that's a pocket. So that's how I'm going to do them through the book. So I hope you enjoyed that, a little short one. I've been through and embellished my book a bit more. I've used a whole heap of these little, these are great. They're like a little washi sticker, but you peel off the back. And they're fabulous. So I've got one there. Just been putting them through the book and enjoying them. Great for filling up little spots. An ode to the nature problem. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. Short one. I'm on the race now to catch up. Little tea bag books. All right, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.